to get the Redcat up.
There you go.
Yeah, I forgot to sign it. I got them too. Yeah, no, I need a nut driver. I was just wondering if the MIPs are over here.
Yeah, you could totally make it, bro. I was making it on stock TRX.
Stay up, make sure that your driver's side rear tire stays on that rock. So go further out this way.
Are those Baja Claws? Is that what those are?
Make sure you start from like on
Very graceful.
straight in. Like that. Make sure this stays over on this way. Go this way. On top of the point over here.
It was like Andy's, remember?
Yeah, now go left. Here, you're right there. Just keep going. Back it off to the now go this way again. You gotta keep like fucking with it. Once you get yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Use that tree. Now go in. Yeah.
Boy, I hit this all sorts of wrong today.
Yeah, that left. Yeah. Like come back this way.
No, it's
Go that way. Because we're getting all these roots right here.
Hey, Russ.
Yeah.
Good, how are you?
green bastard.
Good, man, good. I trimmed up that aluminum a little bit, and it's still hanging up, but not too bad.
Because you have to come up here.
Sure climbs good.
Stay off to the left here, but like go up to the right.
I had to go
like
switch out.
What'd you have?
I have the Marksman.
Oh, pretty big.
Yeah.
Pretty
He's
big.
getting around good.
Yeah. I need to make a trail to come back down here.
Change the pace.
Mind your way here.
No, that's all right. I'm just going to drop down and go the edge around behind you.
Go a little right. Too much right. Too much right.
Oh no! Oh no!
Whoa.
There you go. Go straight.
I don't like this drop. Come over this way. Once you get right here, just give it full beam. Because then if you don't, it'll fall. If you give it full beam, might fall, might land at the tire. Look at that shit. I didn't like it. How did you go over this? Did you just start from up there?
No, I started from
Oh, you started down there?
down here, right there, and then up around that rock, and then
I think I'm gonna climb over that. It's not the first time.
made it.
Let out some lines so you can...
shit. How many full spins did you do? I'll say that. Oh no, this is kind of a little big, but this is oh yeah, I get there.
Shit, yeah.
He's a little younger.
Dang. Alright, let me try it. I don't know if this has got a wheelbase for it. Oh, got the Tortusi, huh?
Hopefully it does better than last week.
What'd you change? Oh, you got rid of the bumper?
Yeah.
All together, huh?
Yep. Well, it broke after I cut it.
Oh.
I was not making that last week. Inch to the left. One day I'll be able to crawl with you.
Yes, sir.
You see the sticker on the back there? Dude, I saw that in the last two videos. I heard y'all talk about it. I was like, what the hell? We call this one Sissy. Because it's Sissy. And I can't say Sissy, so.
Look at that. Thanks for the spot. Now I know how to crawl it.
Come on, guys.
Sissy took a dump. Yep.
The thing about the 411s though, you can't get it over 110.
Yeah. This is in my truck.
You can't do it more than 110 on an eighth of a mile. You can.
I think it's driving more like the D8 that I had.
Well, that's the easy way.
That's the easy way?
Yeah, you gotta come down this way. Right here.
Oh, shit.
Now it's hard because it wants to dump it over.
Oh, shit, he's going that way.
You go by Bubba or Ryan?
Ryan.
Maybe I met somebody else named Bubba out here.
I saw some dude on the Facebook page named Bubba.
Yeah, we'll be here in a little while.
Oh, yeah? Here, look. You want to put your right front, like right here.
Okay.
Right around this area.
My bumper don't hit.
That's a bumper you had, right?
Yeah. I chopped it on the side, underneath, and then pulled it in.
Back up just a little bit, Ryan?
I bumped into something and it fucking snapped.
Yeah, that bumper might be holding you up. Back up a hair. There you go. Yeah, that bumper's getting you.
Well, I went another way.
Oh. There you go, now go at it. Now you're kind of facing the right angle. There you go. Oh yeah.
That's why we don't do it on that kind of stuff.
You just have to get it lined up.
Oh, don't go the same way he did. Put your right front right here.
I got turned around.
Oh, your bumper is holding you up right here.
Yeah, right there, yeah. And I got it pushed almost all the way forward to the back. Come on, man.
The honky wagon makes it
Really?
regularly. Hold on, let me get there you go.
Maybe a half inch.
The green bastard.
He always falls like ass over front.
I was actually really impressed when that thing washed up.
Yeah.
You got that line down.
You're good. You're good.
Another victim in the hole.
I don't know where you want it.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Shitload of people out here today.
For real. Oh, there's that dude.
Your bumper's sitting first, Robbie.
Yeah. That's kind of the problem with that big bumper.
I know.
It's sexy.
I didn't want to mess them because they're working on it.
Yeah. If I move around. Go, Robbie.
If I get that bumper from hanging up, I might be okay.
Just take it off. I'm not behind it.
There you go, buddy.
A little bit of weight does it. Yeah. I knew you could get it. That's the best investment I think you can make for your truck.
Is that a sport?
Yeah, his is identical
Kind
to
of.
my kind of.
Sport body?
Sport, I mean, it's sport.
That and then what motor you got now? Oh, okay. I like this setup. That's why I was asking. But yeah, I think you can throw the C's on your truck, a little bit of weight in the front. I think it'll work just like my truck. I mean, you'll have a beast for like $30, you know. So some of these rigs out here are like $2,000 to $3,000. Here we're running $400 rigs. We're running with
Three Brothers anti-foam.
Oh, nice.
He just runs over it. Wah! Look at that. That looks good. I begin to think shrink onto something the same way to all.
That looks too easy. Well, what Andy makes it look really easy. He's got super long shocks on his truck.
Is that the
red Hilux.
Okay.
That one over there. It's got like 130 millimeter shocks on it. It's a lot. See that skid? God dang, I really cocked this up. Oh! Oh man.
No, it's just a quarter line that big, and I spread it all the way down to the headlight button.
Hi.
I see her.
Oh, sorry. I had an ADHD moment.
All good. It happens to the best of us. Oh. Yeah. Seems everybody has it. Something like that.
Not everybody. My mom doesn't have it. She has more. She has ADHD. She doesn't have any of it. She's like fidgety, but she doesn't have ADHD. She has no symptoms. None. Except fidgeting.
Now you just got to get the bounce. There you go. Oh! You're still up there. You still got the tires up there. Woo! You're wilding out.
Oh, thank you. God damn, I'm a little too squirrely with it. Alright, thank you.
Oh shit, I'm about to go down. What the fuck?
All the way down.
If Sean didn't make the sticker, I don't know what would happen.
It's all the sticker. Yeah, absolutely.
They had to know that it was a 14.
They had to know it.
If you didn't know it, then
The frog.
the frog, yeah.
Kind of looks more like a, I don't know. I like rotisserie. It's just a one-of-a-kind little crow.
Got that shell. Yep. Flips over.
That's why I tell everybody. I said my TRX does all kinds of tricks. Watch this shit.
Barrel rolls.
It flips, it rolls, it rears, it sits on its bumper, it does all kinds of tricks. See?
Oh!
See, look at that flip over.
You got caught on the branch. They're not pinion, but the
spur?
yeah, like the motor plate.
Yeah. Get it, Robbie. Get it.
I get it, buddy. These canning trails are badass tires. These are the best of the best.
Which ones are those?
These are the cut canning trails.
Oh, okay. Did you ever get your Pyraxes?
I did, and I hate them. I freaking don't give them to him with the capper. I can't stand those tires.
You can't stand the tires?
No, Hyrexes. After having these, I'll never run Hyrexes again. These work well. Flip them backwards, you're good to go, bud.
He had been saying these things. He's like, you run them backwards, they grip better.
They do? I mean, this thing is proving the point. It's just like desert lizards. If you keep them the right way, they work better. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous.
Wrestling.
Too bad my bumper had to go screw that one up. Oh.
Taking that line ever again.
Hey.
Oh, you hitting up there finally?
It's not gonna run well.
Mayhem around here.
I love it, man. It's like, we went from freaking rock crawling group to rock bouncing in 0 to 6. There we go. Finally making this thing. I know if I go down like you are, I'm gonna do exactly that.
Yeah, who's burning up?
Blind driving.
You just there you go.
There we go, we're good.
Like a cat.
I couldn't see nothing.
You just do whatever lines you feel like hitting.
Yep.
And then you go home and tweak it. That's basically what y'all do.
Yeah, pretty much. Figure out what I can't hit and tweak it till I can hit it.
Yeah.
No. I might try it like eventually, but I tried a few times and it just keeps flipping backwards.
I doubt I'll make anything.
Yeah, once it gets to that. Mine is sounding not so great. I don't know if it's a spur or it was pretty quiet.
Might be returning you.
Yeah. I was playing in the water.
See, that's what my TRX sounded
Oh,
after.
TRX4.
Yeah, it took a
Sounds like a coffee grinder.
GoPro.
Battery just quit?
Nah, it's just it's almost there. It's real weak.
What GoPro is that?
7?
Oh yeah. It actually looks like a little bit better proportioned.
Right. It is. Well, it's a non-licensed body, so they've combined like a bunch of different stuff.
Yeah.
Because that front grille is a little slanted back.
Yeah.
And it's like a Jeep.
But pretty close still. Like
Yeah.
I see Blazer when I see it.
Oh yeah.
Almost S10 Blazer, but
Yeah, there's like a mixture of Jeep, Ford, Dodge.
yeah, that's a Cross RC has a Bronco like that.
Yeah, dude, I've seen that thing that looks like a Willys Jeep front forward control.
Yeah.
I want that thing so bad.
Like the axial one?
No, the Cross RC one.
Oh, I have an axial body of forward control, the Mighty FC. That's like real short wheelbase.
Let's see what we can do. That's 2550. If that.
I don't remember if the Honky Wagon made this or the Green Bastard.
It was a Green Bastard. Yeah, I don't know. Still thinking about that trade.
What trade?
For the Capra.
That's pretty cheap. You can find the Sports pretty cheap all day. Well, not all day, but a lot. Well, I'm about to battery out.
What's that?
I'm about to battery.
I think I am too. Oh, I thought you were singing Dumb Ways to Die.
Where am I?
Dumb Ways to Die. Oh, you fucking...
That's right, when in doubt, get the Ford.
I stuck my Velcro on while it was dead.
There you go. I like that body. That's probably my next body. I like how it's like the Toyota, but it's a Ford.
Fresh battery. Green Bastard made it.
Nice. You know how Ford is always going to thumb Toyota's butt? Always. How many Toyotas?
First on race day.
Years, right? Ford's not around 50 years old.
Dodge started after Ford.
I hate Chevrolet in the past.
Yeah, but
Like what, 1910?
Chevrolet do not like it. Big Tennessee.
Oh no, here he goes. Oh, my bad, Trent. You're good.
Yours definitely does better than mine. I couldn't get over this.
My bad, my bad, my
That
bad.
body on this rig, though, it'll run.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, got the wraith, huh?
No, the boards get back on their feet.
That's what they say. Oh shit, bro. That's a hard line.
That's some steep water.
Yeah, it's deep.
I would know.
That was right here, huh?
No, I think it was a little bit further back over there.
No.
He crossed the
Oh
line.
yeah, right here. Okay, that's what I was looking for, that tree. Look at Ryan go.
That's what I'm saying.
Now, I think either, yeah, you're going to have to turn right, or if you can go up all the way to the end and
And I
pick,
go
well,
in after.
make a hard left and go down.
Damn. So I freaking just feet go right out from underneath me. And I just bust ass. Transmitter goes in, and I go in, and I'm like a foot into water. So I grab up the truck real quick, just to get it out of the water and stuff, and throw it over there.
It's so low, I can't.
Yeah, you're not gonna work right now.
Yeah, I'm
He's got it all in video. Damn, you could have dropped it.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
I'm gonna have to go back now. See, my thing is like, I'll watch y'all's videos,
Yeah.
especially at the night. If I'm laying in bed, I'll watch videos. Then I'm out.
Yeah.
And like YouTube just keeps playing whatever it wants. Eventually, I woke up to South Park.
I always wake up to like 14-hour 1320 videos.
I woke up last night to Ice swearing. Where like he locked his mom in a closet so they could play on their computer. And I was
Trying to give me some puss.
like, what?
What?
And then he runs down the stairs and she's chasing him. And then
Did you make it, Ryan? Did you make it?
I did fail. I didn't get it in time, but I made it all the way down.
Well, I can't get up there.
The only clean one right now is the 4Runner.
I thought somebody fell. I thought somebody fell down the hill. Dang, I'm in a hole.
Yeah, I'm scared to get stuck right there, but
Done a pretty terrible job of filming this.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
No.
Sorry. You good?
Oh, nice. Now I can
seat down.
Yeah, makes a big difference, huh? Looking at my camera instead of my truck.
Candy like Andy.
See, it's a little trickier. And my straight axles just couldn't get it happening. There you go.